Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to explore beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a wonderful hobby that always you to create lovely pattern with just a needle, thread and fabric. It is relaxing, creative and perfect for beginners as well as experienced crafters. Hand embroidery has been loved for many years in different parts of the world. People use it to decorate clothes, pillow covers, tablecloths, bags, baby dresses and many other fabric items. Every stitch adds beauty and makes a simple piece of fabric look special. One of the easiest embroidery stitches is the running stitch. It is simple to learn and works well for straight lines and borders. Beginners often start with this stitch because it is quick and easy. Another popular stitch is the back stitch. It creates smooth and strong lines, making it perfect for outlining flowers, leaves and letters. This stitch gives a neat and professional look. The chain stitch is another favorite. It forms a chain like pattern that is beautiful for borders, vines and decorative designs. You can make it with different thread color to create colorful artwork. The satin stitch is used to fill shapes such as flower petals and leaves. It gives a smooth and shiny finish that makes the design stand out. This stitch looks especially beautiful with bright embroidery threads. The French knot is a teeny stitch that creates small raised dots. It is perfect for flower centers, berries and decorative details. Even a few French knots can make an embroidery design look more interesting. Floral embroidery is one of the most popular styles. Roses, daisies, sunflowers, tulips and lavender flowers are always beautiful choices. You can mix different flowers with great leaves to create colorful garden-inspired design. Many people also enjoy making embroidery with butterflies, birds, hearts, stars and simple nature pattern. These designs are easy to stitch and look lovely on clothing and home decorations. Choosing the right colors is very important. So pastel colors give a calm and elegant look, while bright colors make the design cheerful and eye-catching. You can also use different shades of the same color to create depth and a more natural appearance. Good quality embroidery thread and fabric make your work easier. Cotton fabric is a great choice for beginners because it is easy to stitch. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.